Coming to KVL basic problem. What is KVL? The algebraic sum of total voltage drops in any loop, closed loop, equal to 0. The problem is V1 equal to 10 volts and V2 equal to 20 volts. Find R1 and R2 for the circuit shown below. In this circuit, a voltage 50 volts is there and a resistance 10 ohm, and R1 voltage across R1 is V1, assume that, and R2 V2, voltage drop across V2. V1 V2 they given, voltage drop across resistance R1 and R2, V1 and V2 was 10 volts and 20 volts they given. Find out R1 and R2. How to calculate this? By using KVL. Let the voltage drop across 10 ohms resistance is V3. Now apply the KVL for this loop. What we have to remember at the time of application of KVL, the rise in potential should be considered as plus and fall in potential should be considered as negative. Those are the sign conventions. Assume that 50 volts, assume that current is flowing in this direction. When current entering at negative polarity and leaving at positive, that means 50 will be considered as positive 50. Coming to resistance 10 ohm, there is a fall in potential. Fall in potential plus 2 minus current is moving. The current is moving in clockwise direction, assuming V3 is minus V3, again here R1 fall in potential minus V1, and R2 it is also fall in potential V2. We assumed. That is KVL sign conventions we have to apply. 50 minus V1 minus V2 minus V3 equal to 0. Now substitute all the values V1 and V2. V1 and V2 already we know, they given that 10 volts and 20 volts. From that V3 equal to 50 minus 10 minus 20. 50 minus 30 equal to 20 volts we obtain. If I is the current, then V3 equal to what is the voltage drop across 10 ohms resistance? If current is I is flowing in the clockwise direction, current I, voltage drop across any resistance equal to V equal to IR according to Ohm's law. But 10 ohm is given, I we can calculate because V3 already we calculated. V3 is 20, this is 20, 20 equal to 10I, V equal to IR if you substitute, I equal to 2 amps. If you know I current flowing is I equal to 2 amps, then we can calculate easily what is the resistance R1. V1 already given, it is 10 volts. V1 already given 10 volts. V1 equal to I into R1. I is 2 amps into R1. R1 equal to 10 by 2 equal to 5 ohm. Similarly, V2 equal to I2 R2 or I R2 because current is same. R2 equal to V2 by I, that is 10 ohm. Therefore, the resistances are 5 ohm and 10 ohm. This is the simple problem where we applied KVL.